Hey guys, imagine an animal who sleeps almost 20 hours a day, eats the same food daily like it's on a strict diet plan, hugs trees for a living, and still manages to look insanely cute. Meet the adorable fluffy superstar of Australia, the koala. First of all, koalas are not bears. Yes, I know we all call them koala bears, but scientifically they are marsupials, just like kangaroos. Their scientific name is Phascolarctos cinereus, which basically means ash-colored pouch bear. Fancy name, right? Koalas are native to eastern and southeastern Australia, especially in eucalyptus forests. And guess what? They have been living there for millions of years. Fossil records show their ancestors were even bigger. Imagine a giant koala climbing trees, scary but cute. Now let's talk size. When a baby koala is born, called a joey, it's only about 2 centimeters long. That's smaller than your thumb. Its weight less than 1 gram. Tiny jelly bean vibes. But as adults, koalas grow to about 60 to 85 centimeters in length and weigh between 4 to 15 kilograms, depending on whether they live in the north or south. Southern koalas are usually bigger and fluffier. Koalas can live up to 10 to 15 years in the wild, sometimes even longer in safe environments. Their body is specially designed for tree life. They have strong arms, sharp claws, and 2 thumbs on each front paw, perfect for hugging trees like professionals. Their thick fur keeps them warm in winter and protects them from heat too. And their big black nose, super powerful. They can smell which eucalyptus leaves are the freshest. Speaking of food, koalas are extremely picky eaters. They mostly eat eucalyptus leaves and only certain types. These leaves are toxic for most animals, but koalas have a special digestive system that detoxifies them. The problem? Eucalyptus has very low energy. That's why koalas sleep 18 to 20 hours daily. Not lazy, just energy saving mode on. Koalas live on land but almost entirely on trees. They are not water animals, but they can swim if needed. Their name actually comes from an Aboriginal word meaning no drink, because they get most of their water from leaves. However, during extreme heat or drought, they may drink water. Now about family life. Female koalas usually give birth to just one joey at a time once a year. Baby season is mostly between September and February, Australian spring and summer. The joey stays inside the mother's pouch for about 6 months. After that, it rides on her back like a tiny backpack. Cute level 1000%. Baby koalas are very attached to their mothers and learn everything from them: what to eat, how to climb, where to live. Male and female activities are slightly different. Males are more territorial and make deep, loud bellows during breeding season, sounds that don't match their cute faces at all. Females are more focused on raising the joey and choosing safe trees. Koalas are mostly solitary. They don't form big groups but have overlapping territories. They communicate through sounds, scent markings, and body language. Yes, even this sleepy animal has a social system. Are they dangerous? Not really. They look cute and calm, but they have sharp claws and strong bites if threatened, so better admire from a distance. They are famous for being calm, slow, and adorable tree huggers, basically nature's steady vibe. What makes them different from other animals? Their special eucalyptus diet, their pouch life, their tree hugging lifestyle, and their super long sleep schedule. They are true specialists. But sadly, koalas are facing threats like habitat loss, bushfires, climate change, and diseases. Their numbers are declining, which makes conservation very important. With humans, koalas usually avoid contact. They prefer peaceful forest life. However, in wildlife parks and conservation centers, they sometimes interact calmly under supervision. So in short, koalas love trees, hate drama, eat toxic leaves like pros, sleep like champions, raise babies in pouches, and mind their own business. Cute outside, wild inside. Next time someone calls them lazy, just remember, surviving on toxic leaves and sleeping smartly is actually genius level adaptation. If you enjoyed this fluffy adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories, because nature is full of surprises and koalas are proof that being slow can still make you iconic.